Hi guys, it's me again, Nature. Don't mind me, I'm looking kind of crazy because I have this head wrapped around my bra here because my mother always gets a heart attack when I show cleavage on camera, so she's always making remarks. So I had to cover up while I get ready to go to Walmart, but this is my everyday 50-year-old makeup routine. Over 50. Next year I'll be saying 60. Believe it or not, yes, 60 years old. I will be 60 next year. So I'm just putting on some concealer here. Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX. I'm gonna just put on a little transition powder. Transition foundation. Foundation. Can't even talk. Transition shade eyeshadow. Got it. Use my little unicorn brush like always. This is my little Morphe palette. I'm going to use the middle one at the top there. I know it's a bit light, but that's because my suntan is gone, and so I can't use the one that's a little shade darker because they'll be too dark. So I just put some of this. I pat it on with the back of this brush. This is just a unicorn brush that I got from, I don't know, one of those very inexpensive stores. If I'm not mistaken, it could have been Rainbow Shop back in, I don't know, 2018, I think. Yeah. So it was a five-piece pack, and this is like a big fan, a small fan brush. So I put that on with that one, and then I usually use my BH Cosmetics brush here. It's a blending brush with a bright colored tip. I use that to go into my shimmery highlight color at the top. It's called Shinies or something like that. And then at the bottom, I mix it with the false metal. I mix it with this right here. They're both shimmery. I don't know if you can see it. Shimmery colors. So anyway, I mix those two. I put it on the center of my eye. This is the everyday look, ladies and gentlemen. I just put a little bit in the center there. I have big bulging eyes, so these colors really pop right there in the center, and I smear it around a little bit wider so it can blend. And then on the edges, I'll just take another blending brush, and I believe this is my that's not the one I want. I want my MAC brush, is it, or Morphe? This one is my Pinky Rose. My Pinky Rose brush, a little glittery going on there. It's so hard to focus on this thing. Yeah. All right, whatever. So anyway, it's a Pinky Rose brush. I got this from Ricky's. So I'm going to go and I'm going to use this medium brown color here on the end. It looks light on camera, but it's not. It's called Road Trip. And I just put a little bit here. I mean, it is kind of light. I put a little bit there because I don't want to be dramatic on my off day. Actually, I don't want to be dramatic on any days. So I just use those in the corners. I like a light earth tone look on a daily basis. If I'm going out, then I'll bring a little more drama to the table. Then I blend it here with my transition color, so it's not any noticeable change of colors here. It's like an easy transition. And then I just clean up the edges. You can clean up the edges with the transition color if you want, or you can just use some of the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I just wipe it over my eyes. I'm not looking for a perfect look because it's my off day and I don't really care. Okay, so then I put a little, I don't know why I'm putting it because we can't even take our mask off, but I do put highlight on. So I use my MAC Gold Deposit here. And I got my little fan brush. This one I got from Marshalls. It's a little glittery stick. I don't remember the name of it. It was very shimmery on the stick, on the handle when I bought it. I don't know. I guess I used it enough times that most of my shimmer is gone. And whatever's left on the brush, I'll just go up here on the brow bone. You know, and then I'll put a little bit above the brow bone. Up, down, a little tiny on the nose. And then right here on the Cupid's bow. And then I'll go back into my Morphe palette, into that highlight color on the top again, and use the edge of the fan brush. And just go across here. And a little bit across the bridge here. And Cupid's bow. And that's it. That's my day. That's my day of makeup. I'm done. You can also add some lip gloss if you like. I got so many colors here. I don't know which one I want to use. I think I want to use, what am I wearing today? I'm wearing black. So I can wear a nude lip. Let's see if I have a brown pencil here. What color pencil is this? This is like a, oh, where's this pencil here? This is a palm and lip. What is this? I don't know what the world it says here. Palm and lip something. I don't know why this camera's not focusing. But anyway, this is the pencil that I'm using here. I'm not working for anybody, so I don't really have to tell you the name of it. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Once these people start paying me to advertise for them, I'll let you know what I'm using. So right now, this is just my thing. This is just my everyday thing. Just sharing with you guys. Blend it in a little. And then I'll use my MAC. This is one of my lip stains. Can't remember what her name is, but she is in many videos of mine. It's like a natural color. The reason why I'm not telling you this because I have to be honest, I don't have my glasses. My glasses are downstairs somewhere. But if you can see it, that is the color. So sorry, guys. Anyway, you can see it when you walk into the store. This is the color, and this is the collection. They don't have many of this color, so it won't be hard to find. And it dries instantly. It doesn't smear. You can put it on. Only thing that comes off is, oh, not even the lip liner hardly. Look at that. Only the lip liner comes off a tiny bit, not the lipstick. So that's good. But they had told me that anyway when I first bought it. That was the reason I bought it. So that's it, guys and gals. That's how I do my makeup on my days off. And I will put a little spray on. Not that I put on any real makeup, but just to keep it the way it is. And some people say, you know what? You should do those eyebrows. So let me just brush them up a tiny bit. And use some powder on them. So I'll use this little brush here. You can buy these in a pack. I think it was like 6 of them in a pack. Different colors I got from my local beauty supply store. I just brush my eyebrows in the shape that they already are. Not out of line. And then I take my little brush here. This was a set my daughter had. I can't remember the name of this little set, but it's a tiny little brush that I use for my shadow. I'm going to use the Morphe, and the color I'm going to use is Volcano at the bottom. I'm going to use that just to fill in the lashes because they're very sparse, you know? A lot of people don't waste time doing eyebrows on camera because they want to be perfect, and they can't be on camera and doing that. Me, I'm not aiming to be perfect. I'm just trying to get the job done. That looks good to me. There you go, honey. And I'll use a little bit of my mascara. I rubbed the name off of it. I believe this one is Falsies. It's called Falsies. So I use a little bit of that up here. I don't use false lashes, so. You know why I don't use false lashes? Is because they look so good when you put them on that the day that you don't put them on, you look really, really different. And you look incomplete. It's like, okay, my face is not totally done because you're missing the lashes. And you're like, yes, that brings the icing to the cake. And then you get in the habit of doing it, and then you gotta have your lashes done. You're like, wait, I gotta go get my lashes. And I don't want to get with that. I already have a bad habit of not being able to go anywhere without eyeliner. So I don't want to have that problem with lashes. I used to tell my daughter, she said, meet me at Starbucks. And I'm like, okay, hold on, I'm putting my eyes on. And my eyes on meant my eyeliner and my mascara. So can you imagine me saying, wait, I gotta put my lashes on, or wait, I gotta do my eyebrows? No, I do those real quick and simple. And that's it, because I have enough stuff to have to do just to go out on a store errand. Okay, guys, so that is my everyday, just do it simple look. And I don't wear foundation when I'm not doing a fashion show or going on vacation somewhere. I just use my regular natural skin and I put a little highlighter on it. That's it. All right, guys, so here you are, over 50, going on 60 look for today. Take care and have a blessed day. Don't forget to pray. Bye. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. My lips, kind of neutral. Eyes, kind of neutral. Just a little high colored liner to bring the lips out a little bit. After I went over it with this liner that I could not read, I went over it again with the NYX liner. This color is, I don't know, whatever that says right there. This is not focus. Focus. Anyway, it's the reddish color from NYX. Again, like I said, I'm not promoting them, so when I promote them and they pay me, I'll make sure that you see the name and you'll know the exact color. But for now, this is just an idea of the colors that I wear on a regular basis, and you guys probably would like to do it too, because we're not really doing nothing these days. We're not really going out partying and stuff, and we're just going to dinners probably, well, most of us anyway. So this is a good look just for dinner. Like, you give yourself your little neutral, your little shimmer, and then your little third color here. You know, your medium, your light, medium, and then your darker on the outside. That's it. And your transition color in the crease, and a little high brow bone highlight here. It's not hardly anything here, but it's just enough, you know? All right, guys, so take care now. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post another video. Take care now. Thank you. Bye.